Want to automate repetitive tasks in Windows? That's where PowerShell scripts become really useful. A script is simply a text file containing PowerShell commands that can run in sequence. In this guide, I'll show you how to write, save, test, and run your first PowerShell script. Start by opening a text editor such as Notepad, or use a code editor if you prefer. You can write PowerShell scripts in a basic text editor because the script is just plain text. For this example, we'll create a simple script that displays a message and shows the current date. Type write host hello from PowerShell on the first line, then add get date on the next line. The first command displays a message, while the second shows the current date and time. Yeah, that's already a working PowerShell script. Now save the file with a PS1 extension. For example, you could name it my first script, PS1. If you're using Notepad, make sure the file type is set appropriately so Windows doesn't accidentally save it as a text file with an extra extension. Next, open PowerShell and navigate to the folder where you saved the script. You can use set location, or CD, followed by the folder path. Then use getChildItem to confirm that your PS1 file is there. This makes it easier to run the correct script. To run a script from the current PowerShell directory, type a dot, followed by a backslash and the script file name. For example, my first script, PS1. Press enter and you should see the message followed by the current date and time. If PowerShell blocks the script, don't worry. That's usually an execution policy setting. Once the basics work, you can add variables, conditions, loops, functions, and commands for file or system management. Start small and test each section as you build. I mean, you don't need a complicated script to start automating useful tasks, and that's how you write your first PowerShell script. Create the commands, save the file with the PS1 extension, open PowerShell in the right folder, and run it with the ./ format. So once you're comfortable with the basics, you can start turning repetitive Windows tasks into simple scripts.